News at noon starts right now.
And new at noon today, the three young suspects accused of killing a beloved St. Tammany Parish deputy appeared in court ahead of their trial. Sergeant Grant Candies tragically was killed in March of 2024. He was deploying a spike strip along I-10 when he was hit by a vehicle that the suspects were in. WDSU North Shore Bureau reporter Chantel Davis is live with what happened before a judge today. Chantel.
Hi, Randy. So I was inside that courtroom when the judge set the date for the trial for all three young men, and that date is February 15th of next year. Now, I will say that all of the families were inside the courtroom, including Sergeant Grant Candy's family who was there, and then we had all three suspects' families that was there as well. And so we're talking about, again, this crash that happened from a pursuit back in 2025 that started near Brownswich. And that's when Sergeant Grant Candies assisted in this pursuit, and he put out some spike strips near the Oak Harbor exit on I-10, and that's when he was tragically hit. Now, I will say that the driver in the case, Water, he is charged with second-degree murder, along with the other passenger in the case as well that was sitting right next to him. That is Lanier, and then Mason Fisher will be charged with manslaughter in this case. Now, again, there was just a lot of emotions, but also the families there just waiting to see, what will happen in February. I spoke to one of the attorneys, and he says, there's just a lot of questions. One of the defense attorneys, he says there's just a lot of questions in this case, but he doesn't want to speak right now to the media because he wants to make sure that it's tried in the courtroom. So again, all three suspects were in court. I did only see two of them, though, so not the driver who was Water. I only saw Lanier, and then I also saw Fisher in court today. But we did not see the driver. However, they said that he was in the building. So that's all that we got here today. February 15th of 2027, all three will be in court for those charges of two second-degree manslaughters, and then, two second-degree murders, and then one manslaughter charge for Fisher, Lanier, who was in the back seat. I am Chantel Davis, live in St. Tammany. Chantel Davis, WDSU News.
Chantel, thank you. Yeah, nearly 2 years after that.